Welcome, I'm Techtation and I am a tech enthusiast. If you believe you're not getting enough from your Samsung A16 or Samsung A16 5G, I have a few tips and tricks that will make your battery last longer and your phone will perform a lot better. Unlock your phone and go to the main screen. Click and hold on the main screen and hit the settings button. Scroll down a little bit so it's easier to see, but go to home screen grid and do 5 times 6. Do this again on settings, on app screens grid, and do 5 by 6. Now you will be able to use your phone more effectively. You will have to clean up your pages on your home screen whenever it comes to all your apps. That's okay though, because to me this looks a lot nicer, in my personal opinion though. This device has a 90Hz display, but you actually have to activate it. So please hit the settings, scroll down until you see display and hit that. Go to your motion smoothness and hit high. You'll get a smoother animations and scrolling with 90Hz as your refresh rate, and that is very important. Fair warning, 90Hz does drain your battery a lot faster, but that's a trade-off I'm willing to take, and maybe so are you. If you want your battery to last a lot longer and use it for more and more years to come, go to your settings, scroll down to battery, and click on it. Go to battery protection and turn that on. It's going to automatically be on basic, and basic is okay, but I would recommend choose maximum and set your own maximum. To get the best out of your battery and for daily use, I would recommend setting it to 85% battery. These are a few tips I recommend whenever you want to make a phone last a long time but still feel a little premium with that 90Hz display. Now let's talk about a strategy to make this phone a lot more powerful by having virtual RAM. Right now, this phone only has 4GB of RAM, but you can make it have up to 8GB of RAM. Go to your home screen and hit the settings button. Scroll down until you see device care. Click on device care. Click on memory. Let it load and go to RAM Plus. You'll be able to turn this on, but you'll have to restart your phone, I believe, and if you decide to ever turn it off, you'll have to restart your phone. But I like having 8GB of RAM on this device because it runs smoother and it feels a lot nicer. If you like my tips and trick video right now and you love other forms of technology video, please hit that like and subscribe button for me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you did not like my video, goodbye.